take you for a quick look underneath here. So you get screws. You see how you got your open area, and then you got your little slotted areas. So you put your screws through there, and you slide it back and lock in. You got 5 up in the front here. I gotta put the gas thing here in a minute. That's gonna go in there. And then same on this side. Lock them all in. That's where you're gonna need your screwdriver. And of course the drawers. And they self-close when you get to a certain point. And then I guess you got the one with the little plastic knobs on that one. Self-closing.
Hey,
all right.
Drawer open.
And we'll get this one. Huh?
Pull that drawer open. No, the drawer.
Which one?
Either one.
What?
The whole reason I wanted a drawer was to be able to put my utensils in.
Yep.
They're not going to fit.
Oh, they will.
No, they won't.
They will.
No, they won't.
Sure will.
Dude.
They
don't.
They will. I think they will. This is the inside. I'm not there yet. Okay. Let's get this burner set up here.
Oh, they won't. Not the right way.
Oh my God. Oh man.
Oh, shut it.
Oh man. I love you. Alright.
Make sure you put that in there that you proved me wrong.
Well, it's listening.
Goodbye. My pretty girl. My little tinker tea.
Oh no.
That's TT.
TT. Hi TT. You helping me? Oh no. Really?
Yeah, they're all gonna help you. They're okay. They aren't hurt nothing.
Okay.
Willie, how willow. Pretty girl. My little belle. God, I think these knobs are nicer than what's on my stove. They might be. It feels like a heavier duty knob, like a nicer knob.
Does it? Oh. Okay. All right. Now, so I'm doing here. I had to readjust the gas line so I could get it through here. You've got, this is your ignition cable right here. It's going to go up inside the burner area. Right here is your actual gas, your gas, I don't know what the heck they call it, but it's a gas tube and it goes right up your burner. Now, here's your valve. So that goes inside here, so that sends the gas up into that. So now, let's get the, because it's gonna hook right onto your your little fire, your little spark thing right here. Okay, you've been loaded now. Okay, let's get this back up in there. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this pin right now for the moment until I'm ready to hook that up. The holes there. Okay, so on the front side of this, you got two little screws. I'm gonna go right through here. Back side of that, you've got a little plug, which I guess is a lighting system. All right, let's get that. Screw's gonna be way out. A little thicker than the other ones. Alright. Through the hole. We got a little more to go, huh? Can't go any further than that. Not yet. Okay. Take those screws all the way out so they do the exact same thing here. I'm going to back off on the getting where my thing is here. I'm going to take off on the
How about now?
pressure. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, nice and stiff. Alright. Now again, there's your, now there again is your gas. Huh? No, just those two holding it in. And I'm going to take this thing, plug her in. Click.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, there's a little click. Heard that. Now I'll go ahead and put the, you can see that's your spray burner, nice cast iron. It's got to go over, slide over that. Okay, let me put this back in here. Okay, get a little indentation there. Higher. Slide that in the hole. In the hole. There you go. And this is it's going to come down through the hole. You're now in here. Let's put the little pin in there. Okay. That won't go out. Okay, there we go. Not too much of a kink on that. And the final thing is to go ahead and plug in your igniter. Okay, takes care of that. Again, that's what it looks like. It's a little electric igniter here.
I bet you gotta prime these for you.
Gonna be a spark it. Okay. There, if you want, I can put the little handle on. Now you can put your handle on if you like. Oh.
Woohoo.
All right.
Pick up that box. It's taut.
What's that? Okay. Okay, next step. Go ahead. Put your little batteries there. Yeah, it's probably time to get a new one, huh?
I'm buying a new one tomorrow. Sure as hell am.
Casualty.
If it's how many years old? 20?
This thing here, yeah, it's 20 years old. It's an example of a 20-year picnic table, made by hand.
Dry rot.
Yep. It's about time to go.
Here.
Okay, here's one.
Hang on. I'm still reeling from hitting the floor. There's 2.
2
3.
and 3. All right. Now, so everyone can see, these are the batteries, and they work for your ignition, and from what I understand, they also work to make your. Ooh, ain't that sweet? See that? The battery is in there, and when you turn your faucets on, pretty purple, huh?
Blue.
We're blue. Yeah.
Now close my stop.
Okay, and push it in, and it locks, and it's good. This is great. They can't accidentally
That's right.
be turned on. You actually have to push them in, and then turn them, and they actually lock. Very nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now you got all purple,
Blue.
all blue knobs. There you go. Turn them on. Alright. Sweet. Okay. Now with that said, let's see if here's the igniter on this side. Go all the way
I
around.
want to know where my automatic ignition is.
Where's your igniter?
Is this it? Is this what I used to light it?
I don't think so.
Well, what is it?
I don't know. What's it say down there?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. I'll have to get more into the electronic side of the house. I was thinking. Oh, there it is. Okay. As you go by, you can see it spark. And that should be all it takes to light it. Okay. Okay.
What?
See?
What?
Watch spark between here and here. The minute you turn the key, see spark?
Yeah.
Yep, that's your electronic ignition. Okay. So we gotta.
Oh, I wanted to free this.
No, you don't.
Yes, he did. I wanted to get the plastic off from it.
Oh, we'll cut it off. What is that? I think this is a. Put a cigarette.
Long ass.
Yeah, exactly.
Can I have your knife?
Stick a thing in there so you.
So when it don't light.